Hi everyone, my name's Robert.
Hi everyone, my name's Racquel and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing the Altson CEF-SE Smart Adapter for the Canon lens to the Sony E mount bodies. But first, our disclaimer. This adapter was sent to us free by Altson, but in no way will affect our opinions on the product when reviewing it today.
The adapter supports full autofocus functions, including IAF, with aperture controls and full lens EXIF data readout. The lens has a focus mode switch for phase or contrast detection and a USB port for firmware updates. The adapter is well constructed with metal mounting plates on both ends and a solid plastic body.
We had a shoot with our model Cindy and we used the adapter with the Canon 50mm 1.8 lens on the A6400 and with the A7III.
The autofocus does work in continuous mode, but the accuracy is not that good, with a hit rate of about 3 out of 10 shots in focus, which is not that usable. We also found the closer the subject, the better the results. Full length body shots had extremely poor results, as you can see in this example here. The autofocus in single shot mode is slightly better and has a hit rate of about 5 out of 10 shots in focus. Using the focus spot mode was much better than autofocus and is very usable, but this doesn't play into the strengths of the Sony autofocus system. But on a whole, we had about 8 to 9 shots in focus in that mode.
General tracking is not that bad. As you can see here, we took a few photos at a small skate park and the hit rate tracking subject was 6 out of 10. For a slower paced landscape shots, the adapter works well, and 9 out of 10 of the shots were in focus. In reference to our other review where we looked at the Sigma MC11, this adapter is not as good, but in regards to price, it's not that bad a deal.
This adapter is good for people who shoot at a much slower pace, like landscape shooters, food photography or still life. Or even someone that has switched to Sony and may have 1 or 2 Canon lenses sitting on the shelf. But overall, we will rate this adapter a 6 out of 10. But hopefully with future firmware updates from Altson, we should have a better and much improved autofocus. So guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button.
And if you've got any comments or questions, please put them in the description box below. And also the web page and buying the links for this adapter will be in the description box too.
And also, hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of future updates.
And hopefully we'll see you on the next one.
See you soon.
Bye.